In this video, I'm going to show you how to fix Bluestacks crashing on Windows. So this is going to be a short tutorial on how to fix this. So let's go ahead and go to our first solution. So for our first solution is to actually reinstall Bluestacks. So how do you uninstall and reinstall it? So first is go to your Windows search here and just type in uninstall and you should see the add or remove programs option. Here just type in Bluestacks. Here you have three BlueStacks application. You just uninstall them, and once you've done that, you could just go to their website, which is bluestacks.com, and just download BlueStacks and reinstall the application again. Next solution is we have the update graphics driver. So to do that, we first have to go to Device Manager, go again to Windows Search, and just type in Device Manager here, and something should boot up. So here you'll be able to see your display adapters. Just open it up, just right click on it and just click on update driver. Here you'll be given two options, search automatically for drivers or browse my computer for drivers. So I suggest you use the search automatically for drivers since Windows will find the suitable update for this specific driver. So for our third solution, we are going to turn off our antivirus. So if you have any third-party software that is a graph the use as a antivirus, I suggest you turn that off first. You could check with their support how you can do this, but here we are using the default antivirus for Windows, which is Windows Defender. So I'm gonna show you how you could turn this off. So first, go to your Windows search here, and just type in security. Once you're in security, you'll be able to see Windows security options here, and just go to virus and threat protection. Just scroll down a bit until you see virus and threat protection settings. Just click on manage settings. Here, just disable real-time protection. So you'll be prompt if you want to proceed to this, just click on yes, and that should turn off the real-time protection for for your Windows Defender, and check if that fixes your issue. Hopefully this video was able to help you. Like and subscribe if you found this video helpful.